You only have to read the news to know that data privacy and security are hot topics in today's business world. If sensitive data about your business or customers falls into the wrong hands, it feels like the world is collapsing around you, because the damage to your reputation, your infrastructure, and your bottom line can be severe. While no device, system, or protection can be 100% safe from all the digital danger around us, older and outdated machines are especially vulnerable to emerging threats. So, if you're hanging on to aging devices to try and get the maximum lifespan out of them, think again. With 3-Step IT's lifecycle management solutions, you can regularly refresh every device on your estate to make sure you're as ready as possible to defend against the threats of today and tomorrow. What's more, our safe and secure disposal service ensures that any old devices you no longer need are completely wiped of data to InfoSec 5 standards. Visit 3stepit.com today and find out what it feels like to have a technology estate that's better and a business that's happier.